make every word easier to read. Let's adjust the font size in Bluesky within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to select font size on Bluesky app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Bluesky app icon on your screen. Once you are in the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. This is your app menu. Tap it to open a list of options. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your app features. In the Settings menu, scroll through the list until you see the Appearance. This section includes the tool to enhance your app experience, including font size. Now tap on it. You'll look for the font size option. This lets you choose the font size that works best for you. Now select according to your preference. Adjusting the font size makes the app more comfortable to read. So this is how to select font size on Bluesky app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.